Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to add an IBM blockchain network to the Xooa platform. The prerequisites for this tutorial are to have a running IBM blockchain network setup and a channel that has already been created. To add this network to the Xooa platform, first we need to download several network-related configuration files from the IBM blockchain platform. We will then need to input these files into the Xooa platform with the original details like the channel name and the credentials. So let's go to our network on the IBM blockchain platform. You should see your nodes. First, we'll go to the peer node, and then we'll export the configurations. Next, we'll go back to nodes and select the CA. Again, click on export. Once again, go back to nodes and finally scroll down and click the order. You'll click export to export the configurations again. And now we have 3 files downloaded. Next, we'll need to go to wallet. So go to identity and export the identity. The last thing we need to know is our channel name. In this case, it's my channel. We now have all of the configuration files and necessary details with us. Let's now go back to the Xooa platform, click on the Networks tab. Next, click on Import IBM Node Files and select the files corresponding to CA, order, and peer. Click Import. The next step asks for your identity. Import the proper identity file. You'll need your enrollment ID and enrollment secret. These are the credentials that you used while creating the network. We'll give this network a name. We'll need to input the channel name from earlier. We now see that the network detail fields have been populated, and then we can save the network. Now that the network has been saved, we can test our network by deploying an application. We'll test it by deploying a sample voting application. I'll input the name, which will be sample app, and the candidates. At the bottom of this window, we can see the available networks, which include the IBM blockchain network that we just configured. Click Create. Our app is now being deployed. I'll copy the API token The app has now been successfully deployed. We can test it by making an API call. So I'll enter my API token in this field to gain authorization. In invoking this API endpoint, I should get the details of the application. As we can see, it works. So the network is functioning properly. The last thing I'll briefly discuss is the ability to export the details of the network. Simply navigate to the Networks tab and select Export. Thank you for tuning in, and have a fantastic day.